Welcome back to Hardscape Training Canada. Today I want to crack into some more advanced chiseling techniques. I've shown you a little bit of this before, but I really want to get into some of the finer details here. We're going to use a nice little club hammer or bell hammer and a carbide tip tracer. And you've seen this before, but I'll just show you it again. And I really want you to hear the rhythm to it. And it's that rhythm that allows us to break the stone where we want it, not just shatter the piece. So take another listen. So just standard hitting, and then a quick tap and a pop, tap and a pop. So let's just see it again on this piece. What we want to do is find the desired amount of pressure. So it's not just simply throwing our weight behind the hammer and striking the chisel, it's doing it with a certain amount of pressure depending on the thickness of the piece. It's actually going to get the stone to break where we want it. Let's look at a bit of a thicker piece here with some granite. Because this piece is a little bit thicker, I can use the same kind of technique in striking force, but I'm actually upping the size of my hammer in this case so that I can drive a little bit of that force farther down into the stone with each strike. Take some patience. It's definitely hard on your arm when you're first starting, but you want to slowly work your way across, double tapping all the way along until you get the stone to split exactly how you want it to. Thanks for checking out this video. Hope you crack into some bluestone or some flagstone or whatever other material you're using real soon. Put this to use. Talk to you soon.